Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 10th class maths trigonometry. In that we are going to talk about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? You know better. What is it? When the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, we call them that they are complementary to each other. So let us take a right angle triangle. A, B, C. This is 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Let angle C is equal to theta. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. That means angle A plus 90 degrees plus theta is 180 degrees. So, what is angle A, children? 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus theta degrees. Okay, we can write it as theta itself. That's enough. That means angle A will be equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus theta. So, angle A measures 90 minus theta in a right angle triangle. So, let us go for trigonometric ratios. First one is sine 90 minus theta. We will take sine 90 minus theta. Means sine theta. This we are going to talk about. This is nothing but opposite side, that is BC, by hypotenuse AC. But BC by AC in terms of theta is nothing but cos theta. Is it not so? Sin 90 minus theta, sin theta for 90 minus theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. But that when you consider in terms of theta, this becomes adjacent side and this becomes hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is cos theta. So what are you getting? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is one property you are getting for further sums to calculate other sums, children. You should remember this. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now let me talk about cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta, adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB by AC. So AB by AC in terms of theta, AB becomes opposite side and hypotenuse. That is nothing but sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is one more value or formula which you have to learn. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now, let us take the third one. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to. For this, tan theta means what? Opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC by AB. BC by AB. So BC by AB under theta, adjacent side by opposite side is nothing but cot theta. Therefore, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. And let us take cot 90 minus theta. For this, cot 90 minus theta, adjacent side by opposite adjacent side by opposite side, that is AB by BC. So AB by BC in terms of theta, opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan theta. Therefore, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So, note it down this, children. These are the derivatives. You may get them in short answer type questions. Prove that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. You need to do in this way. This you have to do, and then you have to continue this. Note it down, children. So we have done sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Now, fifth one, cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Fifth one, cosecant 90 minus theta. Actually, what is cosecant theta? It is reciprocal of sine theta. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So now you have to go for hypotenuse by opposite side. So for 19 minus theta, hypotenuse is AC, opposite side is BC. So AC by BC. AC by BC. So what is this AC by BC, children? AC by BC under theta. Under theta is opposite side by adjacent side. It is reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. So cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Now go for secant 90 minus theta. Secant theta means what? Reciprocal of cos theta. So this is cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Its reciprocal is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So secant 90 minus theta is AC by adjacent side AB. So AC by AB under theta. For this theta, AB is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse by opposite side is reciprocal of sine theta, that is cosecant theta. Therefore, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So these are the various values you are getting. Totally you have got 6. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, and then tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. So this you need to remember, children, for doing other problems in your textbook. So please note it down. Now we are going to do example 8. Evaluate secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. So let us go for the formula which you have learned. Cosecant theta is nothing but secant 90 minus theta. Now you have got here cosecant 55 degrees is equal to secant 90 minus C. In the place of theta 55. So here also 90 minus 55 degrees you have to write. That means cosecant 55 degrees is equal to secant from 90. If you subtract 55, 5 here, 3 here, secant 35 degrees. Therefore, secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees is equal to secant 35 degrees by secant 35 degrees. Why are we getting this? See, because by using this identity, we have proved that cosecant 55 degrees is nothing but secant 35 degrees. So you can cancel this, you are getting 1. Therefore, secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees is equal to 1. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. This is example 8. Now the next example, children. Cos 7a is equal to sin a minus 6. Cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees. You need to find out what is a. So either you convert cos into sin or sin into cos first. So let us write cos into sin. We know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So what is cos 7a here? Theta is 7a is equal to sin 90 minus 7a. Whatever you are writing for theta, same value you have to write it here. Therefore, sin 90 minus 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6. So cancel out sin. 90 minus 7a is equal to a minus 6. That means 90 plus 6 is equal to a plus 7a, means 96 is equal to 80a. So what is a? 96 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. A is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 degrees is the answer for this problem, children. This is example 9. Please note it down. Let us go to the next example 10. If sin A is equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B is 90 degrees. So you have got sin A is equal to cos B. So either convert sine to cos or cos to sine. So let us take this sine A or sine theta. The formula is sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. This is general formula that we have derived earlier. So what is sine A? Is nothing but cos 90 minus a in the place of theta a. So here also in the place of theta a. So sin a is equal to cos b, means cos 90 minus a is equal to cos b. So cancel cos. So what are you getting? 90 minus a is equal to b. So 90 is equal to b plus a. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 90 degrees is the one which they have asked you to prove. So we have proved it, children. Please note it down. This is 10th example. With this, I am going to end up today's class. Next part I will be doing in the next class.